Jordan Spiz'ike Low embraces a nostalgic blend of influences, now arriving at retailers for $165. Featuring the elusive storm blue shade, it mirrors the once overlooked Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG from 2016, which originally saw modest interest until Union LA's 2018 collaboration reshaped its legacy. Chris Gibbs, through Union's Storm Blue reinterpretation, elevated the status of this forgotten colorway, igniting demand among collectors. The Spizike Low builds on that legacy with edge tones of Sail and Muslin for a retro effect, complemented by Varsity Red for classic Jumpman appeal. Though it skips Union's signature yellow-orange stitching, the design still channels LA energy. This tribute also echoes the cultural ripple sparked by Virgil Abloh's The 10 with Off-White, which revitalized the Air Jordan 1's relevance.